Hi, this is Joanne Filer, and I want to explain my grouping and why I'm doing what I'm doing. I plan on training educators that are new to Edmodo. They will be attending sessions that are about approximately 30 minutes, and that session will include a demonstration of an introduction to Edmodo for new users, and then they'll have a chance to go to the small groups for snapshot. That will be for English and math teachers, quizzes and assignments and polls for all teachers. I decided to chunk sessions based on specific features. All novice teachers will start in the staff training group. Then, based on their needs, they will be assigned to specific small groups, such as going paperless, beginners, poll, quiz, snapshot, and assignment. In addition, some of the staff are interested in flipping and going paperless, while others just want to go paperless or just reduce paper consumption. During the training session, I intend to show them how Edmodo can be integrated with Google Classroom, and my goal is to start small with by chunking features and then build their interest. So I have, as you can see, I have some small groups here. So I'm going to start with the going paperless, and within each group, each small group, I have posted some training slides. Okay, so this one is on the Edmodo training slide that was provided, and then I just customized it. Okay, in the beginners, I used the slide that for copying safe and professional learning spaces. Again, I customized it. And then I've also put my my own ECT training agenda, which I have made some adjustments to. So in my training agenda here, I'm explaining that it is going to be for 30 minutes, and it's for first-time users, my rationale, my essential questions, and then something that I've added at the end is the creating safe and professional learning spaces, because this presentation covers like the basic aspects of Edmodo. So my other group is polls. So what I've done is, you can see I've divided it up by some key features, things that I think teachers should be able to use. So I have a little brief introduction, and then I've provided the link, the support link for Edmodo, and then I'm asking them to create a poll and post it to the group. Quizzes. Again, I've taken 2 of the basic instructions from the support group, and I've put them here, put them in the small group. And then for snapshot, which I think snapshot's probably going to be my go-to, because it's my go-to now. I took the presentation and I customized it, and then to get teachers to think, like, I can use this for, this is valuable data, and that's how I see it. It's very valuable data that I can get real time, and if a student's having issues, I can just have them retest right away. And then here's my screencast that I did on Snapshot, and then this is from the support group. And the last group that I wanted to show you is for assignments, and I'm trying to follow the same pattern here. So I've gone to the Edmodo support group, put that here, and then I'm going to add an assignment for them to create. So backing up again, just to summarize, I plan on chunking the features. And the reason I did this is because when I first started using Edmodo back in 2010, they didn't have all of these features. It was just a way for me to communicate with my students. I could put in a tutorial, I could put in an assignment or a document that I created myself. It wasn't really that assignment feature. And then, as Edmodo does, it listens to teachers, it listens to its users, and then it added assignments, quizzes, and then the polls. So that's why I am going to chunk this, so that they're not seeing everything at once, because they can't do everything at once. So I want to keep things small, and then I also want to provide them with tutorials.